Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I wanted to do a video on wireless PowerShare on the Samsung Galaxy S10. I've had a couple comments about it from my last video, so I just wanted to go over a couple things, and I wanted to see what cases this will work with, so if you can use wireless PowerShare with a case, and the thickness of the cases, what cases it will work with and what cases it won't. So we have my wireless charging enabled iPhone XS Max, as well as the wireless charging enabled smart battery case for the XS Max as I drop it. And for the cases, we have the OtterBox Defender Pro that is on the phone right now. We have the Samsung silicone cover, which likes to pick up dirt. So the Samsung silicone cover right here, which is pretty thin. We have the Spigen thin fit case right here. I'm pretty sure PowerShare worked on this one. And then we have the Spec Presidio glossy grip right here. So we're going to check it out and see what cases will work and what cases won't. So first off, we're going to start off with the case that's already on the phone right here. You do have to unlock the phone to enable wireless PowerShare. I'm going to go ahead and turn on Do Not Disturb just so we don't get interrupted or anything like that during this as well. And somebody told me that I was doing it wrong in the last video, that you're supposed to put the S10 down, face down, and put whatever you were charging on top of it. The only reason I had my iPhone face down with my S10 on top of that was because I wanted to show you guys the screen and show you what the phone was doing when PowerShare was enabled, and to see if you could still use your S10 if you were charging it like this. So clearly, whether it's like this or this is upside down and this is, you know, like that, isn't going to affect anything. So the only reason I did that was to show you guys that PowerShare did work, or that you could still use the phone while PowerShare was enabled, which you can. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. I don't know how I got to that minute. Okay, it's never done that before where it asks if you want to turn it on like that. But apparently if you, I don't even know how I did that. If you like flick it, I guess you can turn it on like that. Okay, whatever. So it's on, it says ready to charge. So just so you guys can see, we don't have any charging, still says ready to charge. If I flip this over, make everybody else happy, as you can see, we're sliding it around. No charging. So the OtterBox is a no-go. And yes, I know I was moving it around. I was trying to find the wireless charging location. I did test this before the video, so I kind of know what is going to work and what doesn't work. The OtterBox Defender Pro does not wireless charge, the S10 does not wireless charge anything with the OtterBox Defender Pro on. Now, that being said, the phone itself will charge, but PowerShare will not work. So you can still wireless charge your S10 from a wireless charger and charge the phone's battery, but you can't use PowerShare with the S10, with the OtterBox Defender Pro on. Alright, so I took the S10 out of the OtterBox. It is just by itself right now, no case. I just want to show you guys that PowerShare is working, just for anybody that wants to say, oh, you're doing it wrong, or your S10's broken, or something like that. So I'm going to do it both ways again, just to please everyone. You can see it says charging, it vibrated. Take it off. Now when you take it off, that message goes away, and the ready to charge will come back up. So we're going to place this face down and place my iPhone on top of it, and you can see right away it is charging. So PowerShare is clearly working and everything is working, so we know everything is good to go there. Next one up, we're going to try the Spec Presidio glossy grip, which is going to be the same as the Presidio grip if you get it in the matte color, the same thickness and everything like that. So let me just put this one on, snap that on. I don't know what I just did, but I turned PowerShare off. Oop, cannot turn PowerShare on while using the camera. I don't want to use the camera. Okay, so that's back on, ready to charge. Just do it both ways. As you can see, no charge. We're going to flip this one back over, put that back on its face, and it's actually charging that time, which is surprising, so I guess I found the sweet spot. So it is working there. It's kind of finicky with that one. Let's see, let's just try this one more time. Yep, so that one does work. The Spec case does work. Like I said, it is kind of finicky on that one. You got to find the sweet spot, but it does charge. Now that is probably the OtterBox was the thickest case I had. This one right here was probably in between. Next we'll try the Spigen thin fit, which is like pretty much nothing, so it should definitely not have any issues with that. Let's get it in all the way. So phone is in there. This case is super thin. As you can see, charges right away. Put it face down. Maybe. Did I turn it off? Oop, it looks like I turned it off. Okay, so ready to charge. That's another thing about putting it face down. If you can avoid it, you know, sometimes you accidentally turn it off when you do that. If the screen is on, there you go. So it's working fine on that case. So the Spigen Thin Fit does work. And so last but not least, we have the Samsung silicone cover, which I don't remember whether this one worked or not. So we will see. We're going to try it face up first again. Yep, so charging just fine. Put this one face down. And the iPhone face up, just so everybody can see. Yep, charging just fine, no issues there. Everything works. So the only one that you cannot PowerShare with is the OtterBox Defender Pro. That's the only case I have that does not work with the wireless PowerShare. Like I said, I can wirelessly charge the phone on my wireless charger with that, but the PowerShare feature just isn't strong enough to get past that case. So that's the cases and PowerShare and how well they work. This has been Colin with Techout. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.